Welcome to docotive. Let's design an entity document. It is done in the document design under settings tab. I am selecting entity document design because I want to pull data from a specific row in the main table, whereas list document design we use when we have to pull data from multiple rows and display it in list format. Here's my NDA Word document. I want my generated document to look like this. Docotive app also provides quick link tutorials to help preparing Word templates and replacing placeholders in it. Let's look into it. I have my Word template now. I will replace placeholders. Go to Document Placeholder in Settings tab. Here you will get the list of all the placeholders that you can use in the Word template to populate data from Monday board. As in this use case, I want details of disclosing and receiving parties. Since they are a single entity, I will copy it from the docotive view and paste it into the Word template. It is as simple as that. In the same way, I will copy other details and paste them in the Word template one by one. Once you are done replacing all the required placeholders, save the template on your computer. Now, it's time to upload your saved NDA template. Go to Document Design, click Upload Template. Name your generated NDA document and save the settings. Thanks for watching. Need help? Contact us at support@docotive.com.